Right. So let's talk about ribosomes, which are also found in the cytoplasm and also found in attached to the endoplasmic reticulum. So, what are ribosomes? They are sites of protein synthesis and they are made up of a complex of RNA molecules and proteins. और अभी अभी हमने बात किया कि they are found attached to the ER as well as freely in the cytoplasm. So, few points about them is that first of all, they are non-membrane bound organelles and they are found in both prokaryotes and eukaryotes. They consist of RNA and proteins. ये बात हमने की है. Ribosomes are synthesized and assembled in the nucleolus and then are transported out of the nucleus. So, the size of ribosomes is measured in S. Wedberg units, which is basically a measure of how fast ribosomes के जो different sediments हैं वो circulate या spin करते हैं when they are exposed to centrifugation with a special gel. So if we look at the major components of ribosomes, you have the small and the large ribosomal subunit. So the smaller unit basically reads the messenger RNA जो कि nucleus के अंदर से आता है, and the larger unit joins the amino acids to the growing chain of polypeptides during translation. And that is done on the basis of which amino acid the mRNA is coding for. So the ribosome subunits join together during protein synthesis. They are either floating in the cytosol or attached to the endoplasmic reticulum. Ribosomes are also found attached to the nuclear envelope, which release proteins into the perinuclear space after synthesizing them. तो ऐसे कुछ प्रोटीन्स हैं जो आपके न्यूक्लियस को चाहिए होते हैं. तो वो प्रोटीन्स आपके वो वाले राइबोसोम सिंथेसाइज करते हैं जो कि न्यूक्लियर एनवलप के साथ लगे हुए हैं. कुछ फ्री हैं साइटोप्लाज्म में, कुछ आपके रफ ईआर के साथ लगे हुए हैं और कुछ आपके न्यूक्लियर एनवलप के साथ लगे हुए हैं और वो प्रोटीन्स सिंथेसाइज करके उनको सिक्रीट कर देते हैं पेरीन्यूक्लियर स्पेस में. So prokaryotes have 70s ribosomes. The small subunit is 30s, the larger one is 80s, and eukaryotes have 80s ribosomes, where the small one is 40s and the larger one is 60s.